Mobile phone compatibility. This replacement screen only fits for 4.7-inch iPhone 8, fit for models A1863, A1905, and A1906. Not for 8 Plus, 7, or any other models. This iPhone 8 screen replacement repair kit is used to replace faulty and defective iPhone 8 displays. Fix all kinds of display issues like dead pixels, color distortion, touch response delay, and repair cracked, broken, dead or old screens. Package a high-quality iPhone 8 screen replacement full assembly LCD display digitizer. Completed repair tool set to help you finish the repair easily. A magnetic screw pad to help you keep track of all the tiny parts. A waterproof adhesive to keep water mist away from the phone. A hard-tempered film to protect the screen from being scratched. Hammer and wrench easy installation. Every iPhone 8 digitizer is pre-installed with the back metal panel, front camera, ear speaker, and sensors. But no home button. Please transfer the original home button from the original iPhone 8 screen to retain the Touch ID. By following the iPhone 8 screen replacement installation video we sent, you may take less than 15 minutes to replace your iPhone 8 LCD. Thumbs up. High quality display. All iPhone 8 LCD replacement screens have high brightness and high definition display effect to provide you with a vivid visual experience. This high resolution with sensitive 3D touch response LCD screen for iPhone 8 will bring you the original user experience. This iPhone 8 display replacement is undoubtedly a good choice to renew your phone and keep all of its features running perfectly. Bell lifetime service. There is a 100% strict inspection for all iPhone 8 screens by our professional QC team before shipping. Every iPhone 8 replacement screen kit order in our shop has a lifetime warranty for non-human damages, making